History. AC Auto Carriers Ltd is a renowned British automobile company with a rich and storied history dating back to the early 20th century. Founded in 1901 by John Weller and John Portwine, AC started as a small engineering workshop in Thames Ditton, Surrey. Initially, the company focused on manufacturing three-wheeled delivery vehicles and later expanded its product line to include motorcycles. Early success. AC gained recognition in the early 1920s with the production of the iconic AC6, a six-cylinder sports car. However, it was the AC Ace in the 1950s that brought the company significant acclaim. The AC Ace was the precursor to the legendary AC Cobra, which featured a Ford V8 engine and became a dominant force in motorsports, winning numerous championships in the 1960s. Best inventions. One of AC's best-known inventions was the AC Ace, which laid the foundation for high-performance sports cars. However, the most iconic innovation was the collaboration with Carroll Shelby to create the AC Cobra, a marriage of British craftsmanship and American muscle. This partnership produced a car that is celebrated for its speed, power, and timeless design. Recent developments. In more recent years, AC has embraced eco-friendly technology. They introduced the AC Ace Electric in the early 21st century, an electric version of their classic model. This showcased their commitment to innovation and sustainability in the evolving automotive industry. Current status. Even today, AC Auto Carriers Ltd continue to produce limited edition sports cars, catering to a niche market of enthusiasts who value the brand's heritage and craftsmanship. The company has maintained a presence in the luxury sports car segment, with a focus on exclusive, handcrafted vehicles that pay homage to their historical roots.